channel LJ Gamers, and today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. So, what should we do first?
Let's use one of the boats that you built in the past.
Oh, okay. How about Sonic?
Yeah.
The glitch one?
Yeah. That
Okay,
one goes super fast.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know what this is, it's a glitch. It's super fast. If you want to know how to build it, there's a video on Jesse TC's channel. He's a big build-a-boat YouTuber. And yeah, if you want to know how to build this, then just go over to his channel. Okay, Lena, you can launch this.
Okay.
So you have to use arrow keys to steer this glitch. And once you're at the place with the big rocks, you have to jump off so you don't miss the chest place. Right?
Yeah.
And if my cursor has a circle around it, it's just the screen recorder I'm using, so just ignore it. I made it.
I made it too.
Okay.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna bye-bye.
I need to get to bye-bye too. Okay, I got 88.
I got 80.
You got 80?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's take the hacker.
I love the hacker.
Like, don't you make it every time?
Yeah, we do.
Wait, unless the driver gets shot by lightning.
Yes,
Or gets hit by a cannon.
We always make it if something happens to the driver, then we're not so lucky.
Okay, so you get in the passenger place, and Lena, whatever you do not press the jet engine, or else we'll go flying. Actually, it'll go slow, but then we won't make it to the end. Okay, I'll launch. Okay, here we go.
Like all the ladders just fall off.
Yeah, because they're not attached to the thing. They're just to get up so it doesn't mess up the mechanism. If you want to know how to build this, just build a wheel and a little hole in the middle with a plane chair. Because you can only use a plane chair.
And if your friends or somebody from your family wants to ride it with you, you can put the passenger seats in the back.
Okay, we should make it. There's a squid place. I like that.
I remember
when you get hit by them, their arms come up.
Yeah, one time the squid actually came up.
Yeah, that's what they're supposed to do.
Never mind. We're going sideways.
I know. It's because we ran into the wall, but it still works. You want to use a strong block on this build because it gets broken easily, the ends of it. But one time an arm fell off, I still made it because either way it rolls. So I guess you could use wood, it's just the thing would break faster. Okay, what place are we in? Oh, we're in the toxic waste area. Okay, and the last area.
This one, when you have a boat that goes on the water and everything, not this boat. Yeah, but it destroys you in there. It destroys you every time.
Boom. And if somebody wants to friend me on Roblox, I accept 1 friend request a day. It depends on how many people are watching this, though.
Yeah.
Okay, we made it to the end with the giant hacker. Want to build something?
Sure.
Okay.
How about you build it? Because you have the most stuff.
Okie dokie.
I don't really have anything.
Oh yeah, because this is your new account.
Yeah.
I forgot I had the soccer ball. Well, I'm gonna try something. I'm going to build a gold box around me
Why?
because I feel like it. Then I will. Bam, bam. What are you gonna build?
I'll just build something with what I have because I don't have much stuff. I'll just build something I can build.
Noise.
Don't
And touch anything.
We can't touch anything really.
Why are these corners like this? No, I don't care. Okay, so I'm going to keep building my gold box.
I'm just gonna use all my stuff.
Okay. Should I use all my stuff? Probably not, because that'll take years.
Oh, one time, Jax, you're in the way. I can't build.
Oops.
One time, I used all my stuff, so I built this box around me, put a throne.
I don't have to.
Put a throne on it.
Actually, I think I might have.
And
one.
guess what, Jax?
What?
I made it to the end because I put like everything around me.
Remember when one time we spawned? We just went into the game, and there was this giant pile of stuff with our two other cousins.
Yeah, it was huge, and nobody was there. It didn't look like it.
Nope, it was just left there. I'm going. Can we launch?
No, Jax, I have to build my. Look at what I've done.
Oh, nice.
You can't.
Okay, I'm gonna build I'm gonna put a chair down. I'm just gonna get one of the regular chairs right there. Sit. Okay, I'm in. I'm ready to launch.
Well, I'm not.
Cool.
Okay, I just need to put a couple more things down.
Or, Lena, you can get on top of my gold block.
No.
Why?
Because I want to build my own boat.
Okay, if you say so. I'm just gonna add something to this. Okay, I'm gonna build a second layer to this. If you want to come in.
Yeah, I'm done doing my boat.
So are you coming in mine?
Yeah, I'm coming in your second part because I don't want to die. I want you to die.
Okay,
I'll be fine.
that is good. This is gonna be trash.
You know what we're gonna do?
Building skills.
Hey, you know what we're gonna, Jax, you know what's gonna happen?
What?
You're gonna die on this.
No, you are.
Well, that's actually true because if
It's always true.
if it's tall, if it's like that tall, probably it'll probably fall down. You know, mind. You don't give it.
I don't think anybody gets what you're saying.
I'm hurt. I'm hurt.
Oh, I'm out.
Damn.
Looks like you're gonna be made out of this stuff.
This stuff. Mr. Green.
Okay, get in your seat so I know how high to build.
Okay.
Open the door.
Sorry, let me just. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this building is Did you just? Oh, okay. I
I'm
thought
on
you.
the top. I'm on the top. Right? What if I fell off? Okay, I'm in.
Okay, close the door.
There we go. And perfectly fine.
You're a new. Okay, I am putting your extra stuff in so that you don't die. And we are good. Launch.
Oh, Jax, when we launch, mine's gonna be like a protective shield. Look at it, it's like
launch. Oh my
Oh, sorry, I thought you meant you.
Oh no.
I told you.
We already fell down.
I told you.
I should have put a plain
But my
seat.
stuff will block it.
No, I'm in front. Okay, we
No,
are
look at my
going.
stuff.
What if we die? My thing here is gonna break first. How many hits does gold take? Like 5?
It's either 10 or 5. Because I remember
10 or 5. Great. Okay.
Isn't like gold the best block?
I'm pretty sure gold is the best block.
It looks like cheese.
It does not look like cheese. The butter block looks like cheese more than butter.
This looks like this.
Oh,
Now that you mentioned butter, it kind of looks like butter now.
oh, now it does.
It does.
Okay,
It's
keep going.
Shiny butter.
Your build is blocking me.
You got this. I smell Doritos.
Why do you smell Doritos?
I don't know. I just smell them. I smell Doritos. I seriously do.
Okay, we're still going. We're still going. By the way, we have 6
I
subscribers.
smell Doritos.
Oh my gosh, it's not that funny. We can't hit anything in this stage. Oh, cheese. Cheese. Okay,
You mean
we're still
butter?
going. We're still going.
You mean butter jacks?
No, I don't. I mean cheese. Okay, we're still going. No, this is boring. I'm resetting.
I'm not. I'm
Okay,
gonna live. Actually, I don't think I
reset.
am. No.
I'm gonna ride the glitch. I'm gonna ride Sonic one more time.
Jax, I'm gonna see you flying over me.
Okay,
I'm
we are
gonna
going.
make sure to look up.
We're still going. Are you sure you don't want to ride the Sonic with me?
Actually, I'm gonna reset.
Okay. We're going to reset. Keep. Oh my gosh. Lena, walk! Keep going.
Sorry. Came on.
Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh, it's glitching. Oh jeez. Ah! I mean, I know it's a glitch and all, but
Oh my god.
it's glitching hard. No!
Jackson, look at me. I'm upside down.
Oh jeez.
Wait.
No, we're going straight. It won't let me control. I can't control.
You can't?
No. It won't let me. Dang it. Okay, I think we're going to have to end it there.
Yeah, it's like
I want to give a shout out to one of our subscribers, Random Awesomeness. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.
and ring that bell down there.
The notification bell. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye.